Hey everyone, my name is Peter. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to grow your HVAC business without adding more stress to your plate. We're talking about getting more leads, booking more service appointments, and saving time by automating a lot of the day-to-day operations. And stick around until the end because I've got something for you. A free way to try out this system and see how it works for yourself. The biggest challenge in the HVAC industry is finding new clients consistently and making sure they follow through with scheduling maintenance, repairs, or installations. You're great at what you do, but running the business side, managing appointments, following up with leads, and keeping track of clients can be overwhelming. That's where this system comes in. It's designed to make your life easier by handling scheduling, follow-ups, and client management automatically so you can focus on what you do best, keeping homes and businesses comfortable all year long. Instead of spending hours calling or texting customers to schedule service, let them book their appointments online anytime. The system keeps your calendar updated automatically, so there's no risk of double bookings or wasted time. Ever had a client forget their maintenance appointment or not follow up for a needed repair? That's lost time and revenue. With automated appointment reminders via email and text, your clients will always know when their service is coming up. You can also send quick updates about seasonal tune-ups, special promotions, or urgent repair notices to keep them engaged. Ever had a potential client ask about pricing, available service options, or emergency repairs, but you were too busy to respond? With a live chat feature on your website, potential customers can get quick answers, which means fewer missed opportunities and more booked jobs. Most HVAC businesses lose potential clients simply because they don't follow up. With automation, you can stay top of mind without lifting a finger. The system automatically tracks leads and sends reminders, special offers, and follow-ups, so you turn more inquiries into paying customers. Reviews build trust. When people see others raving about your service, they're more likely to choose you. With this system, you can automatically request reviews from happy customers after an installation or repair, make it easy for them to leave reviews on Google and social media, and showcase great testimonials on your website to attract more clients. Instead of juggling multiple tools to manage your business, this system connects everything: scheduling, payments, and client info all in one place. No more switching between platforms or dealing with unnecessary headaches. And because this system is designed specifically for HVAC businesses, it even helps you reconnect with past clients by sending reminders about seasonal maintenance, filter replacements, or HVAC system upgrades. That way, you're not always chasing new clients. You're also keeping the ones you already have. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but I'm not tech savvy. No worries. The setup is simple, with step-by-step guides and templates designed for your industry. Plus, you'll have support every step of the way to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now that you've seen what Funnel Freedom can do, let me show you how easy it is to set it up. You don't need to be a tech expert. Everything is designed to be simple and stress-free. Start by logging into your Funnel Freedom account. Once inside, look for the settings option on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find something called your location ID. Just click the copy button next to it. You'll use this in a moment. Next, choose a pre-built template, or as the system calls it, a snapshot. The HVAC Business Snapshot is specifically designed to help you grow your business. It includes a professional website to showcase your services, email templates to follow up with customers and confirm appointments, and automated text messages to stay in touch with potential and existing clients. Once you've picked the snapshot, it's time to connect everything. The software provides an import form where you'll enter your name and email address, paste your location ID, and copy and paste the snapshot ID for the HVAC Business Snapshot. Then, click Import, and the system will automatically set up your website, funnels, and automations, all in a matter of seconds. After your setup is ready, you can customize it to match your brand. Add your logo, business name, and contact details. Update the service descriptions to highlight your offerings, whether it's AC installation, furnace repair, duct cleaning, or seasonal maintenance plans. The email and text message templates are already written for you, but you can tweak them to match your voice and style. One of the best features of this software is the ability to let your customers schedule HVAC services directly from your website. Your website will include a built-in calendar where clients can choose a time that works for them. Once they've booked, they'll receive an automated confirmation email with all the details. You'll also get notified so you can be fully prepared for the job. No more endless back and forth phone calls, just a smooth automated booking process. Here's an example of a simple website designed for HVAC businesses. It features a clean layout, a section for customer testimonials, and a clear call to action button for scheduling service appointments. It even includes an automated chat feature to answer common client questions instantly, whether it's about pricing, service availability, or emergency repairs. Once everything looks perfect, just hit publish and you're live. Your website will be ready to attract new clients minutes, and your funnels will handle tasks like follow-ups, appointment reminders, and even collecting customer reviews, all automatically. With this system, you'll have a professional, fully functional marketing platform tailored to your HVAC business in no time. If you're ready to simplify your business, get more bookings, and grow without the usual headaches, you can start today with a 14-day free trial. Click the link below, get started, and see for yourself why so many HVAC business owners are using this system to scale. That's it. Thanks for your time, and I can't wait for you to see how much easier your business can run with this system.